Hey guys and girls, thumbs up from me as usual. God bless you all. Welcome to my channel, The Real Love Survival. And what have I been up to? Just a quick and short one. Got my bug out bag there on the table. Been going through it, through the various little kits down here. Had to take my water filter in here. I've got a Soya Mini and the water purification tablets. I've got to take them out, put some new ones in there, and as it goes past its best use date, you've got to throw them away because they get poisonous, these water purification tablets. Same as in my tins, my survival tins. I will be doing another couple of videos soon of these two tins right here. I've been taking out some diarrhea tablets and pain paracetamols, so you've got to swap them out. Just going through little kits, of course, still collecting birch bark. And yeah, there's my bug out bag, bug out survival system right there. And what have I been up to? Well, recently, if you saw in my last video, just scroll down and you'll see my last video of a parcel that I recently got. I was very happy. I've been basically spraying these sheaves. These sheaves were white. If you see in the last video, you'll see the sheaves were white. This is the K-Bar Last Ditch Knife LDK. Fantastic bit of kit. My good friend Dean Dunbar sent me them. And this is the Bocker. And when I finished, I'm going to just do them up a little bit. You can see the sheath right there. It's black now. I'm waiting for this one to dry, but I will do another video. I had some spare paint lying around, so I thought I'd use it up, do something useful with my time. Incidentally, this was blue. I just did one side just to see what it looked like. I haven't done the other side yet, so I can show you that it's still blue, but I will do the other side. But that come out quite well. I'm really pleased with that. So I'll do another video soon of my bug out bag update and of these two tins down here. And again, when these knives are finished, I'm going to put some cordage on there, tweak them up a little bit. But yeah, if you've got some paint lying around, you know, use it up. So anyway, just a short and little sweet video telling you what I've been up to and what I'm going to be doing in the near future. So watch this space, like, share, subscribe, press the like button and all that good stuff. Thank you very much for all the support from everybody. Bear with me. Thank you for being there with me. I know the video qualities have gone down a bit, but I will be making some more soon. So keep watching this space. Take care, guys. God bless. See ya.